It's my summer fit, so if you want to see what's inside this DRAPE FIT box and how it looks on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit may roam about in here and Chloe is just tired from school. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So DRAPE FIT is a stylist subscription service similar to Stitch Fix or Wantable in that they're going to send you items. However, there's no previews, there's no stream. You don't know what you're going to get. It does have typically less expensive items, but also there aren't very often any of those name brands that you're used to. So, you know, that being said, if you're looking for something less expensive and you want to kind of see what they have to offer, I do have a code down below. I am on their influencer program, which means that I only pay $1 for my box for my stylist fee, and then they do send me a $20 gift card. So as long as I purchase one thing, it's nothing. And if I purchase nothing, well, then it's $1. So not too bad. Right, let's get into this and see what they said. Now, last month it was, or last time, it was a total flop. I kept nothing from my last box. Just nothing really looked right on. Now, I've been working with the same stylist for a while, Paulette. And she's often in the neighborhood, but not really hitting the mark. Okay, here is my package. Here's a little sneak peek as to what's inside. Not much. There is a bag. You're going to send everything out UPS, so not USPS, UPS, but you can bring it to your local Staples. Maybe, I don't think Kohl's does it. I think it's just Staples. That's where I bring mine for my return. So the first thing is some jewelry, which does look promising. This is by Shamelessly Sparkly, and it looks to be either a necklace or a bracelet. Looks like a bracelet. So that's actually quite pretty. All right, Paulette, you got the jewelry piece down. There is no tag on this, so there's no name brand. It is just a t-shirt. Now, again, I've said I don't like ruffles, and here's ruffles. So that's probably going to be a no. I like the color, but I don't really like the neck, and I don't like ruffles. By Lee, we have a pair of jeans, so that would be kind of a name brand that you would see from Kohl's. They are skinny jeans, and I'm kind of over skinny jeans, so that is likely going to be a no. Also, I also don't really care for the fit of Lee. By My Lumia is a little button-up top. Now, it does look like a crop top, which is probably my only issue with this. I'm not sure about these sleeves, too. They're kind of just like balloon type. It's cute, but I'm not sure about the length. And by Maison Terra is a dress. Now, this is definitely promising. I do like that. Give you a little better look. So it's a nice length. It's a pretty pattern. So, like in the neighborhood, we'll see if it's at my house though, or if it just stays in the neighborhood. So this is definitely in the neighborhood. The black top is in the neighborhood, just not sure about the sleeves and the bracelet. So I'm going to try these things on, and then we'll go over prices. And I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the dress. It definitely has a nice fit, a nice feel. It definitely is nice and light and flowy. I can't really tell how I like it on from the camera just because of the kind of shading and everything that's in here. So I will have to look back on that. But I mean, it is a pretty dress. It is right in that neighborhood of what I might pick for myself. I'm a little concerned about how it looks up here. But this is a $26.99 value, so not a bad price for a dress if you know, I end up liking it, then that would not be too bad at all. The bracelet looks to be $10.99. And here's the view from behind. Okay, I'll try on some more things. All right, I am back with the black top and the skinny jeans. So the skinny jeans are a nice fit by Lee. I'm not in the market for some skinny jeans right now. I do like the top better than I thought I would. It actually doesn't unbutton all the way. There's like this little kind of elasticy piece right here, but I just feel like it's a little too big. Just feels a little larger than I would like it. So this is a size large and it's $36.99, and the jeans are a size 12, $34.99. But definitely something I would wear if it was a smaller size. Now, one thing that I have had difficulties with are exchanges. Whenever I've tried to exchange something before, it's actually locked my account, and I had it locked for like a year one time with no anything coming in. So like, I do really like this. I'd love to see this again in a medium because I actually like it a lot more than I thought I would, but it's just too big for me. Okay, one more top to go and final thoughts. And here is that last top, again with the jeans because it's what they sent, and I actually don't hate it as much as I thought I would. This isn't as ruffly as like I thought it was going to be. So not bad. And again, the bracelet, very nice. I do like the bracelet. And this is $28.50. A little pricey for a t-shirt though, I will say that. I mean, have I bought more expensive t-shirts? Yeah, I have. But I'm just saying, it's a little expensive for what it is. But I don't mind it. I kind of like it. I kind of like that in the bracelet. So we'll see. I like that black top, but it was too big. That would have definitely been my keeper. So we're going to see what the keeper is from this one. So Paulette, much better job. Liking this. You are far closer to that neighborhood. The black dress, I got other opinions in the house, and it was the up here that nobody liked. So unfortunately that is going to go back because it was cute otherwise, but the up here felt funny to me and looked funny to other folks. Actually, my 77-year-old mom told me that it made me look old. So there was that. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.